This is the only hair oil you need. Cloves, rosemary, and ginger. The triple combo for insane hair growth. Cloves boost blood circulation and wake up dormant follicles. That means NEW growth. Rosemary oil is clinically proven to grow hair as effectively as minoxidil, naturally. And ginger. It strengthens roots, reduces shedding, and adds shine like crazy. Mix them and warm on low heat for 10 minutes. Don't fry it, just infuse. Strain it, and look at that golden growth magic. Apply it to your scalp 3 times a week to unclog pores and boost circulation. Massage for 5 minutes. This step alone can double your growth speed. It reduces shedding, breaks less, and makes your hair visibly thicker. Results: stronger roots, faster growth, and thicker ends in just 14 days. This oil fixes dryness, dandruff, thinning, slow growth, everything. Want more natural hair growth recipes that actually work? Hit subscribe. I post new ones daily.